Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Isa nga si Bel Mariano sa inaimbitahan ni Ma'am Charo Santos sa birthday celebration niya kagabi. Makikita nga dito sa larawan na ka-table nga ni Bel Mariano ang ABS-CBN bosses na sina CLK. At makikita pa rin dito na kasama pala si Piolo Pascual. Sa mga imbitado, nag-perform pa itong si Papa P. At nagbigay rin ng mensahe si Bel Mariano kay Ma'am Charo na talaga namang sinabi nito sa si Ma'am Charo na nagbigay nga ng confidence niya ngayon. Halina't panoorin natin.
Sharing your grace and knowledge, and I am lucky to be taught by you. Just a quick throwback po. We did workshops actually with Ma'am Charo. I think this went for six days or 1 week. And that time, talagang sobrang mahiyain ako. And she taught me how to carry ngayon. I'm more confident and elegant because of you. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to be mentored by you. And you have blessed us with your grace, wisdom, and kindness. And you're an inspiration to all of us here. And I'm so happy to be able to celebrate this special day with you. So happy birthday, Ma'am Charo. And happy anniversary po. May God bless you more. And here's the fruit for later. Ngayon.
I create art from sunlight. They always knew something was off about me. I get it. I'm making murals with the sun, spending thousands of hours from seed to conception. I